there, everybody. I just got these VEVOR Adirondack chairs. Really excited about them. Want to put them together, see what all it comes with. Let's open this box up and check it out. All right, so here's everything it comes with. Some of it is already assembled, so that's really nice. The backs are already assembled and the seating area is already assembled. And so you just have the cup holders, the armrests, and then the rest of the assembly for these to go together. These are a really nice plastic. They feel really solid, they're really durable. I'm so excited for this plastic because I'll be able to pressure wash these, clean them. I don't have to worry about it rotting or anything like that. So just overall really excited about these. It's really nice. Each chair comes with its own individual package set of tools and parts that you need to assemble it. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take the seating area, the base, and we're gonna attach its front legs. And so that's part A, part B, and part C. All the pieces are labeled real nice. So we got B and C here, and then this is gonna be part A. When you assemble this, you wanna make sure that this little wing part is facing away from the chair itself, and this notch is facing forward to your front. All the pre-drilled holes are really snug, and they fit really well. These fasteners are all self-locking fasteners, so you're not gonna have to worry about the threads coming undone. All right, once you get these hooked on there, you're gonna take piece H and you're gonna run it across this here, just like this. I'm gonna put it in place on both sides. And you're gonna use this number 5 screw. Here on piece H, they do have a countersink, so you wanna make sure that you have that part facing out, so when you screw in this bolt, it sits flush. They do have little spots that are pre-drilled for you to hit and aim your screw at, so that's what I'm doing. All right, there you go. Now that's nice and solid, secured in there. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is attach the armrest cup holder right here to this. And with this, all you have to do is use this number 4 screw, and now that's it. That's all it takes. Now it can slide in place, doesn't stick out the backside, everything's nice and smooth. All right, now we're gonna attach these here just like this. All right, next we are going to attach the back. There's a little groove for this to sit in. So the back's gonna sit in this groove here. The arm's gonna come up, and we'll be using bolt number 1 and the washer and nut to secure this in place. Same thing with this side. Bolt number 1, there we go. All right, now we're gonna use bolt number 3 and a locking nut and a washer, and we're gonna attach piece I. Piece I is gonna hook on here, and then we're gonna use a screw up here and attach the base of the chair with that. So there's a little spot right here where the screw will line up. So this goes in here, and there's a spot marked right at the base of this back that it screws into. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, piece I. And piece I does have a recess here, so you wanna make sure that you face that on the outside. I'll have to fix this one here because I didn't see it. Now I just have one last piece to put in, and it's a brace that goes on the back of the legs. I'll use these last 2 screws, put it in place. So like I said, this does have a pre-drilled hole where you're supposed to aim. Helps guide it in. All right, there it is. It's all assembled now. And so you can fold it down and store it, take it with you, and it's that simple. And when you're ready to use it, just fold it out. All right, that is a nice chair. That is extremely comfortable. Can't wait to get the other one done. I absolutely love these Adirondack chairs. They are amazing. They went together super easy. I love the fact that you can fold them up and store them during the winter.